power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys in bright white with LED reflector headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, rock protection sill rails, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, all-weather floor mats by Mopar, cold weather package, Command Track part-time 4-wheel drive system, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10472A.